Welcome to Jake and Trev Review Everything.
I'm Trev.
And I'm Jake.
It seems that we've been just doing way too many movie reviews as of late.
We actually had a viewer have a special request, so, well,
here it is. It's the Rich and Hearty Progresso chicken pot pie style soup.
Alright, there we go.
There's not a lot of difference in flavor. Every single bite and every single parcel of chicken pot pie. I guess, I'm eating this and a thought that comes to mind is, who is this for? Because I think that overall they've succeeded in making something that kind of tastes like chicken pot pie, but why not just have chicken pot pie? I mean, who is this product for? What do you think, Jake?
It's chicken pot pie without the crust. I'm Jake.
I'm Trev.
And thanks for watching.
Peanut butter disaster.